Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Cosmic Tech. We are uploading car electronics tech related products frequently. In this video you will find an IDEN R8 Extreme Long Range Radar, laser detector, dual antennas front and rear detection with directional arrows, built-in GPS with real-time alerts, voice alerts, red light and speed camera alerts, renewed. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. The R8 is an all-new platform with unsurpassed variety and sensitivity. Its dual antenna permits the R8 to hit upon threats from all four directions, with voice indicators for the route of the threat. It even indicates the band and sign power for each. Perfect simply were given better. The R8 can do not forget and routinely mute fake indicators, along with retail shop doors, alongside your routes so that you by no means must concentrate to the equal fake alert twice. Preloaded red light and speed camera places with free database and firmware updates guarantees your detector will by no means be out of date. It is easy to read and permits for greater beneficial facts to be displayed at once. This improves your usual situational awareness. Voice indicators permit for hands-on fastened operation and offer clean communication. Voice alerts are programmable to suit your fashion so that you can preserve your eyes on the street without distractions.